Ken from Flavor Lab TV. With Thanksgiving coming up, I thought I'd do a dish for one of the many sides that accompanies Thanksgiving. Today we have a Brussels sprout recipe. Now, Brussels sprouts has long been the bastard child of vegetables. They're cruciferous. That's the name. Cruciferous type of vegetable. So in the same family as broccoli and cauliflower and everything like that. And they're just as good as any of those two. The reason that they have such a bad name is because our parents did not know how to prepare them. I think mostly they boiled them and put salt on them. But anyway, so we've got 2 pounds of halved broccoli sprouts here. Okay, I don't know what to call it, but there's a lot of different flavors in here. So it's Brussels sprouts with almond, balsamic, bacon, maple, if you want. Okay, if you want to call it something. So over here we have we're gonna cook up 6 slices of bacon. We're gonna render the fat out of those bacon slices, and we're gonna actually put that back onto the Brussels sprouts. Okay, we have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We have a teaspoon of kosher salt along with a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, and we have 2.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Okay, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to lightly toast these nuts. Nothing better than the smell of toasted nuts in your house. It smells really good. Be careful with this first step because it could all go wrong from there. They burn very easily. We're going to put them in the oven at 350 for about no longer than 5 minutes, but monitor the whole time. Make sure you're not seeing any black spots or smoke or anything like that. Okay, so when we come back, we'll have that going for you. Okay, here's our half cup of pecans going in the oven at 350. Like I said, be careful, monitor very closely. Don't go away, stay in front of the oven. Back in a minute. Okay, we've got about 5 minutes on these nuts here. They're all nice and toasty. They smell great. We're just going to put these aside for now. Put them in a bowl. And get our 6 slices of bacon ready. Back in a minute. Okay, and we've got our 6 slices of bacon. Same cookie sheet, so it makes things nice and easy. We're going to put them in the oven. Oven up to 400. Once you have your oven up to 400, just check on them in about 10 minutes. 10, 12 minutes would be the quickest that this would ever be done. But it can go a little bit longer than that. Make it nice and crispy. Okay, gang, we're back and it's about 20 minutes later and that bacon is looking nice and crispy. We're going to go ahead and take it out. Okay, get it on some napkins here. This is nice and crispy. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to reclaim this fat, this yummy fat that all the bacon has been cooking in, because we're going to toss the Brussels sprouts in that, okay? And then, once we do that, we're going to add our other ingredients over there, and we're going to hold out the last 2 ingredients to it right before we serve it, and after this whole thing comes out of the oven. This is the ground up pecans, okay? And then the bacon, and I'm going to cut up the bacon. We're going to put these together. We're going to hold them off to the side. We're going to put all those other ingredients over here. How did that get in there? Ooh, pumpkin ale. We're going to take 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 2.5 tablespoons of balsamic. 1, 2.5, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. That's my oven going off over there. Please ignore. And the salt and pepper. And over here, the claimed or reclaimed fat from the bacon. We mix all that up. We get our oven up to a final temperature of 425. Okay, the bacon was cooking at about 400. So the first thing is the toasted nuts. They go in at about 350, and again, be very careful with those. Then we go up to 400, and we put the bacon in. We cook that for about 20 minutes, or until nice and crispy, whichever comes first. Then we crank it up to 425 to get these cruciferous, yummy, long-forgotten vegetables that our parents neglected into the oven. Here we go, into the oven, and we're going to do this for about 20 minutes, and about halfway through, we're going to do our best to flip those around so that not one side gets... Okay, so gang, those toasted pecans I chopped up earlier here, we're going to join it with the bacon right now, and if you're going away for Thanksgiving to somebody else's house and you want to bring this would be the best way to transport it. Pre-cook them and then take the pre-cooked ones. Those are in the oven. Those are going to be in there for a little bit yet. And put those in a casserole dish with a cover. And then take this separately. Maybe not with your hand, especially if you're having guests over. And here's our bacon almond mixture. Hello, Rainy girl. You like that? I love this baby. Anyway. That's our dog, Rainy, who's my daughter's dog, who's here filming me, doing me a huge favor tonight. I appreciate Krista more than she knows. Lovely Rainy. Okay, we're about halfway through, and we're going to do our flip. Here they are. Yeah, they're about halfway done, I would say. What do you think? Oh, baby. Love these babies. Anyway, back in about 10 minutes. Okay, gang, so the Brussels sprouts are about ready to come out of the oven. They smell really good. They smell really good. They're done for sure, right? We're going to start scooping these out, get them into this casserole dish. Okay, so if you're bringing a side dish, or if you're at home, you're going away from home, you know, you're gonna warm these in the oven probably for about 5 minutes, and then, you know, take them out, and then we've got our chopped up pecans and bacon here. And what I would do is take almost all of it and put it on these Brussels sprouts, and then just mix it around. This is, of course, after it comes out of the oven. And then top it off with the remaining. Trust me, you're going to be a hero. Look at this. Is there anything wrong with this recipe? I mean, it's got maple, it's got bacon, it's got pecans, it's got balsamic. Oh, really good. Oh, man. It's another winner. Please do me a favor. Please like. Please subscribe wherever it is on the screen. Thumbs up, all that stuff. I really appreciate it. I need the subscribers. I'm working hard. I'm doing everything that I can so I can get these subscribers. So please, and anybody you know who might be interested, please send them. Send them to my YouTube page. All right, peeps. Thank you, and thanks for all the new subscribers. I do have a few new subscribers. Some people follow me on Instagram. Some people follow me on the Facebook page. So I really appreciate it. Peace and love, everybody. Ken from Flavor Lab, and I'm out.